George?
Hold on. It's a night.
He's taking a nunite?
And then there's night.
Oh, nunite, Ken.
I want a blanket.
You need a blanket?
Lucky.
Bring it over to George.
With George. He's tired.
He's tired?
See, another two.
Oh, he went nunite too? Oh, you all went nunite.
I want it.
What do you do when you nunite? You're sleeping? Okay, nunite.
Hello.
Oh, you need a pillow?
Oh, coffee.
Okay, I'll get you a pillow.
When can I get it?
Oh, you're going to get it.
What? This way.
Okay.
I want to take nunite. I want to take nunite. I want to take nunite.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
You want me to cover you up? There you go. There's Ken taking a nunite.
I get it. Did I get it? Buggy. That's Buggy.
Oh yeah, there's a buggy on the ceiling. Nice.
Oh, I get it. Oh,
It's a spider.
Is it?
What's a spider say?
Mommy get it?
No, Daddy gets spiders, not Mommy.
Dad get it. Oh, Dad get it.
Go tell Daddy.
Oh, Dad get it.